Welcome to the website. This website has been created to transparently manage data related to monitoring, recording and verifying LifeForce tree units verified by Earth Restoration's mobile app. LifeForce tree units with verified contracts help the poorest and most vulnerable farmers to increase farmland income by increasing tree canopy cover to produce contracted primary ecosystem services, such as oxygen, dynamic carbon capture, as well as purified groundwater. When an administrator or buyer of contracted primary ecosystem services logs into the system, they are redirected to the dashboard page, which provides important data related to Earth restoration projects in both numerical as well as graphical format. In the auditing section, stakeholders can search for an auditor by their name and/or assign them to a specific purpose related to management of Earth restoration project site or block. Planted tree units section. Stakeholders can easily search for a planted tree and its specific location using the unique QR code search option. Entering this code allows access to all details associated with the contract of that LifeForce tree unit, including a comprehensive and transparent summary of how much contracted primary ecosystem services that tree unit produced over the contract period. Landowner section. Each landowner has a unique smart contract associated with the performances of his or her tree units, which are actively being measured for CPES via the LifeForce mobile app, as well as maintains a transparent payment record of the PES made to the farmer over the contract period. Using the LifeForce satellite view, buyers can choose to invest in specific LifeForce tree units by scrolling over and clicking on the tree icon. Based on the interest, the Invest button becomes enabled and the buyer is redirected to a secure buying platform to invest in the select tree and contracted primary ecosystem services benefits to the farmer. In the Available Tree Species section, stakeholders can search for tree species used by LifeForce projects in a given bioregion. Stakeholders can also follow specific instructions prompted by LifeForce mobile app to study and activate new tree species into the system, so that these species can be included into project sites as a contracted tree unit with associated benefits. In the Feed section, stakeholders can be updated on the latest science related to climate change, natural farming, blog content from Earth restoration, as well as podcast series focused on scaling ecosystem restoration using the Earth restoration methodology. In the Profile section, stakeholders can view and/or edit all the details associated with the current logged-in user. The Earth Restoration CPES certificate can be value added and made secure to investors using blockchain technology in order to tokenize contracted primary ecosystem services of photosynthesis produced by LifeForce tree units.